Hey, Texas Schmexis, guys. Many companies during this pandemic are relocating to South Florida. Starwood Capital started that move before COVID. Barry Stern, look, let me start with you. Why here?
Morning, and you can see I'm actually not in South Florida doing this interview. I'm up in Montana. I escaped all that beautiful weather to lack of snow. Why there? For us, I had a particular reason. I mean, I wanted a really good airport, and Miami has a fantastic airport, the best in South Florida. It does like, I don't know, 5, 6, 7 times the travel that Palm Beach Airport does. And I'm always going someplace. Also, obviously, the tax situation in the state was attractive. The business climate is incredibly attractive for business. It's a gung-ho town doing lots of innovative things. I'm really proud of both Miami Beach and Miami and their public works projects, the expansion of the convention center, the new bridge they'll be building on the MacArthur Causeway, which will be an art piece just in itself. So I actually grew up going to South Florida, and the kicker for me was I actually had a company down there. We had 300 people that were officed in South Beach. And when I was thinking about where I was going to go, it made sense for me to go there. It's part of our public company, Starwood Property Trust, and it is headquartered in South Beach. So I didn't want a long commute, and I moved to Miami, which was great.
You're building this massive new headquarters on Miami Beach, and one of your partners in developing retail and restaurant space in there is Alex Rodriguez. Alex, those are two industries really hurt right now during COVID. Why invest there?
Well, I do think that, the greatest properties in the best locations are going to win long term. Barry presented his opportunity for me, and I've been in Miami for over 36 years, so I know it really well. He built the One Hotel, which is the greatest hotel here in Miami, and the most profitable one. And right across the street, it made total sense to build 144,000 square feet. I think it's going to be great. The demand has been off the charts. I email Barry a new offer every other week, it seems like, and we're excited about it.
I should say,
go ahead.
I'll say fundamentally, the Miami market is very strong. I mean, Miami's becoming, if it isn't already, the Singapore of the United States. It's a working, diverse culture, and there's a lot of families coming down and setting up family offices. So we've really focused the leasing on this building on family offices, and it's kind of hard. The demand is so strong, we don't really know when we should lease it. Maybe we should wait. It'll be done. The building will be occupiable at the end of 21. The third quarter of 21. So I kind of we've leased about everything we want to lease, and we're entertaining a few friends. But it's a nice problem to have. The vacancy rate in South Beach going into COVID was like 2%, and a new building hadn't been built in more than 20 years. So this was a great project. And Alex is the mayor of Miami, so having Alex as a partner is incredible because he knows everyone, and I don't have to do anything. He just brings the people, so it's fantastic.
Well, and I guess to that point, we had Vlad Doronin on last week, Alex, and one of the things he mentioned was the fact that it's not just New Yorkers and Northeasterners that are coming down to South Florida and Miami, but it's also increasingly more Californians as well. I'm curious, is it Miami specifically for you, or do you see this as the first location, the first city of many that you would be looking to expand your burgeoning real estate empire to?
Yeah, look, we do business in about 37 states and 5 countries. Miami and Austin may be the 2 cities that benefit the most from this tax movement and COVID and a new way of working, just like we're doing right now. But look, Miami's been flying for a long time. I've been buying real estate in Miami for over 20 years, and it's been a great flight. Since COVID started, it's a rocket ship. And one of the things that's really interesting that's happening here is talent's coming. And that was always the big knock for Miami. It's always been challenging to hire here, but now you have talent from all different sectors: Silicon Valley, consumer, real estate. Really exciting. Our friend Tony Tamer started HIG, a private equity group here in Miami, and it was a revolutionary move. Today you have 2 or 3 companies moving every month.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.